Dear friends, I will show you another trading view indicator, most popular and very nice. You must check and set up oneself inside Tradingview. Very good indicator, and you can identify buy and sell. So now I want to show you the Tradingview platform, Tradingview indicator with a setup. I can show you two indicators, then at least you can do something. I'm going to TradingView indicator. I'm writing T3 MA RIBBON ribbon. T3 MA ribbon by just uncle. Okay, I plot it. Then you can see when is there is green and red. When is crossing after upper moving average is coming red, down one coming red is going to sell start. So then when is again crossing down from down, the moving average down one is red, is becomes green, top one is coming green but is still red. When become is green, two moving average together when is coming green, then is buy. When you see two moving average together not coming green, you not buying. Two moving average cross and coming red together, you can sell it. This is the strategy how is work. So then this setting I already make it for setup. I can tell you input use alternate anchor time frame is that one is 0. Okay, we are coming second one, fast T3 MA length is 5, then put it 5. Fast T3 volume factor 0.7, slow T3 MA length 10, slow T3 volume factor 0.6, T3 MA source close. Then there is a you make is empty, then is make a trick, use HA candle for calculation. Then we're going to style first T3 MA color green, second one color red, then click here, slow T3 MA green red, first one green, second one red. Bar color you can set up bar color, then buy swing arrow, up green, down red, sell swing arrow, up green, down red, tick here, buy exit, below bar, sell exit, above bar, then tick here ribbon field, then tick here label on price scale, tick here value in status line, then is fine, everything is okay. So now you can make it okay, because I was set up, that's why easy2 is coming like that. So this is the indicator, this is the indicator, yeah. Then we can combine with this another indicator, that one also I can show you. This indicator, simply I am going to indicator, then I will plot it, I will plot it Stochastic OTT, plot it Stochastic, Stochastic OTT. I plot it, and it's coming like that. Here is a cross, here is a buy is coming, cross is coming up. There is a sell is starting, when is cross day is coming cross. Sell here, sell here, sell here, sell here. So that one is setting. Stochastic OTT is setting. K length 14, K is smoothing 3, source close, OTT period 2, OTT percent 0.5, shows support line, click show Stochastic OTT closing signal, then style, K is green, support line blue, OTT line is magenta, and buy is green, sell is red, upper print, lower print, click here, background, click here, 11 on price scale, value in status line, then is okay, because it was my setup is here, so that's why no problem, because when is coming up bent is sell, going down is buy. Automatic writing, then you can use 4 hours and daily also. I put it daily, now you can see daily, yeah, yes, there is a sale for daily, here is a crossing, here is a cross down, Here is a buy, here is a buy. Here is a buy, here is a buy. Here is a buy, here is a buy. So there is a buy, there is a buy. So many way we can find buy and sell signal. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make a subscribe, and I will make a more video for everyone. Okay.